Hello everyone and welcome to the online class of Environmental Study for class 4th. Myself Kainat Bano. Today we will study lesson 2, that is senses of touch and smell. In this lesson we will discuss about 5 sense organs and their senses, about nerves, good touch and bad touch, and differently abled people. So let's start. Sense organs. All sense organs are important and they play very important role in our daily life. Our senses help us to understand what is happening around us. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. The 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. It means that we get a lot of information about various things in our environment through our sense organs. Let's discuss about our 5 senses organs, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And the 5 senses are eyes for sight, ears for hearing, nose for smell, tongue for taste and skin for touch. So that's all about our 5 sense organs and their senses. Nerves. Nerves are present in all the sense organs. They send messages to the brain, which then tell us to act according to the situations. Sometimes one of the sense may stop work properly because of an injury or an illness. It means that the nervous system of our body is a complex collection of nerves and specialized cells known as neurons that transmit signals between different parts of the body. Nerves has the cord-like structure we can see in the picture. Now, let's discuss about our first sense organ, that is eyes. Here in this picture, we can see that many things with we can see many things with our eyes. We can see the height and depth of the things. We can see the distance between two things. Also, we can know their important characteristics such as the shape, size and color of the things with the help of the eyes. Here in first picture, we can see the shape of the football, the size of the photo frame and the color of the rainbow. Now, second, ears. We can know the intensity of the sound, the nature of the sound and the direction of the sound through the ears. Ears can also be used to recognize the person by his or her voice. Here in first picture, we can see that a man is sitting there and recognize the person by his or her voice. Now in second picture, a man is standing there to recognize the direction of the sound of aeroplane. Now nose. We can smell things through our nose. Some things smell sweet while some stink. Here in first picture we can see that sweet smell and in second picture bad smell or stinking. Now tongue. We taste the substances with the help of our tongue. Taste of the tongues can be sweet, bitter, salty and so. Skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It helps us to feel the things that we touch, like cold, hot, soft, and hard. Also, we can know the temperature through the contact of our skin. It means that we can feel the water is cold or hot. Now, good touch and bad touch. Good touch. When our mother hugs us, we feel a sense of comfort. When our teacher pats us on our back, we feel good and encouraged. These are good touches. Bad touch. Sometimes, if a touch makes us uncomfortable or scared, it is bad touch. In simply word, we can say that good touch will make you feel happy and smile, while bad touch will make you unhappy, sad, and cry. Now, differently abled people. Some people who cannot see, who cannot hear, who cannot speak, or who cannot walk like everyone else. They are called differently abled people. They are taught to overcome from that disabilities and live a normal life. They need special care, attention, love, and affection. They are special people. It means that some people are not able to match the physical or mental abilities with others. They are like us with some additional and good qualities too. Here are the some example of famous physically challenged people. Braille. Braille is used by the person who cannot see properly. Braille is a special script written on a thick paper with 1 to 6 raised dots. Each set of raised dots stands for a letter of alphabet. Here in this picture we can see that the Braille alphabet and the picture of Louis Braille, who is the inventor of the Braille. He lost his eyesight in childhood while playing with a sharp tool. Helen Keller. She was a role model of millions of physically challenged people. In spite of being deaf and blind, she played a lead role in political, social, and cultural movements in America. Sudha Chandran. Spite of losing her leg in an accident, she is an Indian television actress and Bharatnatyam dancer. Old people. When people grow old, they face a number of problems related to health, fitness, and soundness of mind. So, how can we take care of them? We can take care of them by spend some time with them, always be ready to help them, never get rude with them. That's all about this lesson. Now, assignment. Learn these difficult words: sense, sight, nerves, tongue, function, language, support, respect, touch, organs. Find out the answer of these questions and learn it. What are the five sense organs? Learn their functions also. Who are differently abled person? Who invented Braille? What is good touch and bad touch? Thank you and have a nice day.